evening. It's so nice to see people other than my family and neighbors. Yay! Welcome spring! Spring? As in spring? Whoa! Where's the air fryer? No, silly, not spring rolls. Spring break? Where will we play? But spring breaks are awesome! Hooray! No, Mother. Spring meaning the season. Winter, fall, summer, and spring. Now you get it? Oh, I'm reminded of a quote that spring is nature's way of saying, let's party! Smarty pants. Come up, Bulu, let's have a party. Do you know what's so fun about spring? All the fun celebrations and festivals, especially ones from India. Is there a spring festival where you can celebrate and have fun? Yes, there are many festivals like Vasanta Panchami, Vasanta Navaratri, Ugadi, Ramanami, and so many more festivals. Because of these festivals, we get to eat lots of yummy food and see our relatives. Haha, yes, correct. In India, we celebrate spring with lots of music, food, festivities, and lots of colors. After spending the winter indoors, I am so looking forward to spring and all its festivities. I bet you do! Gudi Padwa is celebrated in Maharashtra as a harvest festival too. Vasanta Panchami is mainly celebrated in and marks the start of spring. Right, Apu? Yes, you are correct. We worship Goddess Saraswati during Vasanta Panchami. Do you know who she is? She is the goddess of knowledge and wisdom. 40 days from Vasanta Panchami is Holi. Holi is filled with beautiful, vibrant colors, and it is so much fun. It is my favorite festival. Spring is a very colorful, and there are many beautiful festivals in spring. Most of the festivals start the year off with happiness and prosperity. Come on now, let's watch Kutikita and the puppets perform the story of Holi. Yeah, let's watch Kutikita and the other string puppets tell us the story of Holi. And let's sit back and enjoy. Let's drink Thandai and watch the show.
Oh, I flap from a land, from a faraway place, where the tigers and elephants roam, where the jungles are immense and the ladus make us dance. It's fantastic, and hey, it's home. It's the land of the pearls, and my hair naturally curls. No, that's not what I meant. I'm sorry, kids, I can't rhyme anymore. Did you guys learn about spring festivals in India from my friends in the forest? I really loved listening to all of them. Of all the festivals that they spoke about, I really liked the festival of Holi. I'm going to share the story of how we started celebrating Holi. Holi is one of the grandest festivals of India, and it is celebrated internationally as well. Just the thought of Holi fills me with joy and the mood to dance. was tiring. I will tell you the story now. Long, long ago, so long ago, nobody knows how long ago, before even we had borders for countries, there was a kingdom ruled by a mean king called Hiranyakashipu. He had a meaner brother named Hiranyaksha and a sister, Holika. Hey, don't worry. I don't have COVID symptoms, though I am a very positive person. You see? Get it? Get it? Am I not the funniest bird in town, huh? Okay, let's carry on. Where were we? The story of Holi. All the 3 siblings were born into a Rakshasa, or demon family, and were very, very powerful and very, very mean. The first one, Hiranyaksha, silly guy, thought he could hide Mother Earth underwater. Can you believe it? Hide Earth? Vishnu took the form of a Varaham, a boar, and put an end to Hiranyaksha. This angered the mighty king Hiranyakashipu. Let's see what he does.
What did you say? What did you say?
Lord, your brother lost to Lord Vishnu.
Vishnu. I can't bear hearing that name anymore. And don't call him Lord. I am gonna go defeat him right now.
Lord, please wait.
Yes, please wait. You should increase your powers before facing Lord Vishnu. Maybe pray to Brahma for a boon?
What boon? I'm already the strongest man. What more do I need?
Yes, you are strong, but the boon will make you invincible.
You will never die.
Immortality! You please me, my minister. Let me go get that boon.
Oh no! This is frightening. My mom is calling me to clean her room. She somehow thinks she can get me to do all her work. I'm not her maid. Wait, Mom. Wait. I'm telling a story to kids. I'll be there in 100 hours. Okay, where were we? Yes. He went to the forest to pray to Brahma. He went and prayed so hard that he didn't even realize an anthill grew over him. That made Brahma very happy, and he came over and gave him a boon. When Lord Brahma said he cannot grant immortality to Hiranyakashipu asked for,
I cannot be killed by any human being or animal. I cannot die either indoors or outdoors. I cannot die in the day or in the night. I cannot be killed either by any astra or shastra. I cannot be killed either on land or in the sea or in the air.
Ooh, Hiranyakashipu thinks he is so smart, doesn't he? I am pretty sure the Lord Vishnu has something fitting in mind for Hiranyakashipu. What do you think, kids? For a little time, Hiranyakashipu became invincible and made all the people in his kingdom worship him as a god. Everyone followed suit, except his own son Prahlad, who worshipped Lord Vishnu instead. Offended by his son's disobedience, King Hiranyakashipu decided to kill Prahlad, but his many attempts were unsuccessful.
I am the only god in the universe. I see all the devas doing puja to me.
Yes, my lord.
That is true. Everyone worships you, but the prince. We just can't convince him to let go of the law. Sorry, Vishnu.
I've tried to fix him multiple times. He never listens. We should throw him in the snake pit.
Oh no, this is scary. Have you heard of anyone throwing their own son into a snake pit? He is crazy. All of Hiranyakashipu's attempts to kill his son failed because every single time, Prahlad was saved by Lord Vishnu. King Hiranyakashipu then asked Holika, his sister, to kill Prahalad with her boon. Holika's gift was that she could not be harmed or burned by fire. Holika's blessing was in the form of a shawl, something like an invisibility cloak, just that it won't make fire harm her when she wears it. The shawl is supposed to protect her. Well, you guys are wondering what's going to happen next. Well, I won't keep you waiting any longer.
Brother, what's up? I'm on my way back from the Chariot Super Bowl. It was so much fun. Our team won by 2 horses in the final minute of the game. Instead of being there, why are you walking around back and forth? Have you been given a timeout by your wife?
I'm so fed up about being outwitted by Prahalad. He thinks he's so powerful and thinks he's Vishnu's best friend. That makes me so upset and angry.
Well, Prahlad is a smart person, and he is probably Vishnu's real BFF. In fact, I saw Prahlad call Vishnu using different names, like Narayana, Ananta, Achyuta, as if they are the closest friends in the world. But why are you bothered by it?
Enough! I am becoming so angry that I might just pull this string off.
No! Then you will not be able to do your fancy dance move in the Super Bowl celebration tonight. What do you want to do?
Do you have any idea as to how I can kill Prahalad?
Let me think. I know! Do you remember that I have a cloak that will protect me from fire?
That's perfect!
Yes! I will take my dear nephew with me into a fire pit. Then, ha 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 ha.
You are the best sister ever!
I don't know why I have such a hard time putting on a shawl. I just can't wrap my head around it. Get it? Anyone? Okay, let's move on. What a bad aunt. My aunt gets me toys. But Prahlad's aunt wants to throw him in the fire. She was not only mean to Prahlad, but to everyone around her. Do you think anyone will like a mean lady like that? No way. This is so scary. Let's see what happens next.
Come, Prahlad. Do you want to buy candy?
Saying the name of the Lord Vishnu is better than candy for me, my dear aunt.
Do you want to play a video game with me?
Lord Vishnu's grand design is the best video game of all.
Oh, is it? Come sit in my lap, my child, and show me how.
Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya.
No! I am burning!
Isn't Prahlad a blessed child? This story is a testament to the power of bhakti, devotion. And eventually, Hiranyakashipu gets killed by Lord Vishnu himself. Lord Vishnu comes down as half lion, half human, during twilight, and kills Hiranyakashipu at the doorway using his bare hands. Didn't I tell you Lord Vishnu had a plan for him? back to Holi. The killing of Holika is symbolized by Holika Dahan, even today. A day before the festival of Holi, people build a pyre symbolizing the destruction of the demon Holika. Holika symbolizes anger, jealousy, ego that exists in all of us. Holi is known internationally as the Festival of Colors. On the day of Holi, people apply colors to each other's face and wish Happy Holi! They celebrate the festival with good food, music, and dance. Did you know that Holi is also celebrated to remember the divine love between Radha and Krishna? In Vrindavan, people play Holi with flowers and colors. Holi marks the end of winter, ushers in spring, and love beyond boundaries, beyond religion, beyond race. On that happy note, I would like to wish you all a happy Holi. Come on, let's dance!
What a great story! Wow! Prahlad's devotion to Vishnu is so inspiring. Now we know why we celebrate spring. When we apply colors to each other, we all become the same multicolored people. Yeah, we all look the same. There's no discrimination.
Yes, no status discrimination. We all are equal.
Yay! Also, knowing this about Holi makes it even more fun to celebrate.
Especially throwing colors on one another.
Race you to the colors!